Okay, girls, so let's do units of volume. So when we're doing units of volume, we have to introduce three more conversions because when we're talking about volume, we talk about cube centimeters, um, cube centimeters, cube meters, cube millimeters. But when we're talking about capacity, we usually talk about liters, milliliters, kiloliters. So we need these conversions. 1 liter is going to be equal to 1,000 centimeters cube. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 cube centimeter, and 1 kiloliter is equal to 1 cube meter. Okay, so let's do some examples. So example 1. Okay, so 3.2 or 3 and 2/10 cube meters, and we have to go into cube centimeters. Okay, same procedure. So we do 3.2 over 1 cube meters times our unit fraction. And as you can see, I'm not remembering any more things that I need. I just keeping with these ones, the simple ones. So I know that I'm going to centimeters, so I know that I have to put 1 meter on the bottom and then 100 centimeters on the top. And I have to do this 3 times. And then again. And when I have done that, then I'm canceling this one and then meter, meter, meter. So that means that I'm pushing it. This 3 and 2/10 is going to become bigger 6 times to the next place value. So that means that I'm going to move. So that means that this is going to be equal to that's if I have moved only one, but then I need 5 zeros. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and that will be cube centimeters, and that's my answer on those 3. Wonderful. So that's my answer up to this point. But that number makes like no sense. When are you going to see something that says 3,200,000 cube centimeters? So let's convert this one into liters. How many liters are this one? So let's continue here. I'm going into liters. So how I'm going to do this? I'm going to multiply that number that I have there. That is 3 million and 200,000 cube centimeters, and I'm going to times that by, I know that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 cube centimeters. So then I can cancel this and this, and then I can cancel some zeros. So 0 and 0, 0 and 0, 0 and 0. So my answer is that it's going to be equal to 3,200 liters. Wonderful. Okay, let's do another example. So this example talks about that we have 750 cube millimeters, and it's going to be equal to something cube centimeters. And if we do that, it's going to be 750 and I'm going to times it by, I know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, so I'm going to do this 3 times. I hope you're watching this video in fast motion and I'm sounding very silly, but it's going faster. That one is taking me to write all this. Otherwise, you're going to be fast asleep now. Okay, and then I cancel my millimeters with this one, with this one, with this one, and I have to divide by 1,000. So the answer is going to be that this is equal to 7,500 of cube centimeters. You, fantastic. Okay, the last example. So the last example says 3.5 kiloliters into how many cubic centimeters, and then that is equal to how many liters. So let's try to do it a little bit faster. 3.5 kiloliters. We know that with the conversions that we had before, we know that 1 cube meter is equal to 1 milliliter. 1 kiloliter, sorry. 1 kiloliter. So then I can cancel this one and this one. Good. And then meters, cube meters. Now I can go and say, okay, I'm going to say, okay, 1 meter is going to be equal to 100 centimeters, and I'm going to do this 3 times. Wonderful, and I can cancel these units with these units, these units. So I'm in cube centimeters, that's what I wanted. So I have to multiply by 100 by 100 by 100, which means that I'm moving the digits, making it bigger, pushing it to the side 6 times because I have 6 zeros. So that means that my answer is going to be 3, 5, and 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. So it's 3,500,000 cube centimeters. And now to convert that into liters, I go and say, okay, this one times, and I know that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 cube centimeters. Therefore, I'm going to be canceling this 0 and this 0. Oh, I'm a little bit tired, as you can tell. My goodness. 0, 0, 0, 0, and the units as well. So my answer is going to be 3,500 liters. Wonderful. Okay, girls, so I want you to go and do the exercises that I have set up for you in Maths Online. So you're going to have a combination of the 3 types of conversion of units: units of length, units of area, and units of volume. Wonderful. I hope you find this useful.